when I changed over the winter tires on my 2010 Outback, I noticed that one of these swaybar links was broken. And I'm not sure if a person should be driving without this, so I'm going to take it for a little road test and see. So obviously that's something that needs to be replaced. I can't keep driving on it like that. So here's the new part from Rock Auto. It's different, but it looks like it should fit. Little squirt of PB Blaster always makes everything go better. They were a bitch to get out. I thought there'd be a flat spot on there to put a wrench on, but there wasn't. So I just cut the bottom one off, but the top one I couldn't get the zip cut in there, so I just had to use the vice grips and kept tightening it and tightening it. So finally got it off. So not as easy as I thought. So it turns out there's a much easier way to get these off. In the end of the bolts, there's a 6-sided hole. I don't know if it reads that, but I think it's a 25, there you go, Allen key or whatever the 6-sided key is. That fits into the end, which will hold the bolt, and then you can twist on the nut. There's a new one installed. It had 17mm nuts, and the old one had 14mm nuts. It's a slightly different design, but I think it's pretty much the same part. $7, it was a steal. Let's take it for a test drive.